Welcome back to Phox's Tool Review. Today we're going to be learning about all the names of the driven crew. This is a backhoe loader. The bucket moves up and down and dumps like this. It used to make noises, but I ruined it. There's a hole in the back, if you can see. This spins around. The hole goes up and down. The bucket moves. This is a crane truck. The stabilizers were here, but I broke them. The engine moves up and down. The crane and the crane goes like this, spins around all the way. This is a dump truck. It lights up and the hood goes up and down, the doors open, the bed goes, and it dumps. This is a bulldozer. The blade shifts like that so it can push snow or dirt or anything side to side. And the tracks move and the rippers tear up the ground. This is a log truck. The engine moves up and down, the doors move, this spins around, it extends the grabber. You can do it like that, and then you can put it back. These extend like that. Logs can go in there, which I don't know what it is. And you can also dump this out and then pull the tailgate out. This is a recycling truck. The engine moves up and down, makes noises, and the doors open up. This little lever, that goes up, and this little thing goes up. This tilt, there's a hydraulic in there, and this thing also comes up. The scissor truck, and the engine moves up and down, like which always all the ones do. And this thing goes up. You can only use it by spinning the lever right there. It goes about, I guess about 20, I don't know, but we're scooting it down. And then you can also use this little step thing as a ladder to go down. Also, the doors open. This is a tow truck. This goes down. And for the big vehicles, they can do like that. And then they can be able to call up. And then they hook it on. And if they're tighten it, then they're going to pull it up. They're going to pull it like that. And then put that up. And they're all around. And when the truck's done, the big truck, they roll this in. The doors open, the engine moves. This is the tractor. It's a tractor. This moves, the lights actually light up, which is good. The trailer moves, it dumps. Oops. The wheels move, going on fine. And also the steering wheel moves. This is a steamroller, and you press the little thing on the back, it lights up, and then if you move it like this, the drum and the wheels go, and this also articulates. This is the cement truck, and if you push this lever, the wheel moves. And this also moves. And the doors open. Oh, the engine goes up and down and it also lights up. This is a Tele-handler. And the stabilizers go down. This moves. Twist is up and it also lights up. Don't push it yet. And it also does that, and also does the forks in this thing. Thanks for watching. Meow meow. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell.